If you had only $75,000 to remodel just one part of your home's exterior, where would you spend it? The front yard or the backyard? Most homeowners answer this question in about 3 seconds. Depending on your goals, choosing the wrong space first could leave money on the table or leave you wishing you had made a different decision every weekend. So today, we're going to settle the debate. Front yard or backyard? Which should you remodel first if you're working with a limited budget? Remodel the front yard if you want maximum first impression. The front yard has one job: to make a great first impression. It's the first thing you see every time you come home. It's the first thing your guests notice. And if you're thinking about selling in the next few years, it's the first potential thing that buyers see and judge. Front yard improvements with high impact are new landscaping, modern entry walkway, exterior lighting, new front door, updated driveway, custom gates, fresh paint, and architectural accents. These upgrades can completely change your home and how it's perceived by anyone that walks inside. If resale value and curb appeal are your priorities, the front yard often gives the biggest return. But here's the question: how much time do you actually spend in your front yard? Remodel the backyard if you want to improve your lifestyle. The backyard is where you actually live. It's where birthdays happen. It's where friends gather. It's where your kids play. And in Arizona, it's often an extension of your home's living space. And for much of the year, it's beautiful outside. A great backyard investment includes a covered patio, outdoor kitchen, fire features, pool renovation, shade structures, landscape lighting, comfortable seating areas. And if your goal is to enjoy your home more every weekend, not just increase curb appeal, the backyard usually delivers the greatest day-to-day value. So which one should you choose? Here's the deciding factor. The biggest mistake homeowners make is asking, which project should I do first? The better question is, what do you want the remodel to accomplish? If your goal is increase resale value, prioritize the front yard. Create a better place to entertain, invest in the backyard. Modernize an older home, start where the home feels most dated. Create a master plan so every project works together over time. One of the smartest things you can do, even if your budget is limited, is develop a complete vision before you build anything. That way, today's investment supports tomorrow's project instead of working against it. If you're focused on resale value and making a strong first impression, then start with the front yard. If your goal is to enjoy your home every single day, the backyard is hard to, but the best investment isn't choosing one over the other. Having a thoughtful plan allows space to evolve together over time. It's how you create a home that's not only incredible to you, but truly lives well.